Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open the Styles pane to access the single reliable way to change styles. Click the Home tab and look to the right side. Click the small Styles pane launcher icon to open it, or press Alt plus Control plus Shift plus S as a keyboard shortcut. The pane lists every style used in your document. You will see names like Normal and Heading 1 displayed. Keep the pane open while you modify any style settings and preview live updates. Right-click the style name you want to change and choose Modify from the menu. In the Modify dialog, set the font size, and paragraph spacing directly. For body text, set 12 pt font and line spacing 1, 15 for consistent readability. Use Format at the bottom to change paragraph, tabs, and borders. Choose Apply to this document only or new documents based on this template when ready. Click OK to apply the changes and watch the document update immediately. Select text in your document and click the updated style name to apply it instantly. The document reflects the modified style across all matching paragraphs automatically. To reuse the same styles later, save the file as a template. Choose File, then Save As and select the .x format for a template. Use Ctrl plus S to save regular files and File Save As to create a template copy. Open that template for future documents to maintain consistent styles across projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.